What do these symbols mean in the Quran? This symbol means you must stop. And this one means that it is better to keep on going. This symbol means that it is better to stop at that point. And the Jim symbol means that it is 50-50. You can stop or you can keep on going. The last symbol means that you must not end your recitation at that point. And the Sin symbol stands for sakta, or a short pause. This symbol means that you can stop at only one of either, but not both. This symbol is the end of 1/8 of a chapter. And here, if you see this symbol, you should perform sujood. And this is the end of the ayah symbol. And it is the sunnah to stop at the end of each ayah. For the full explanation with many examples, watch this video on YouTube.